Here we are at Dillard's. St. Clair Square. We got a reflective ThyssenKrupp here. Escalators are also ThyssenKrupp.
Yeah, I guess I just went around and replaced everything in the store.
I wonder if this store is just flat out newer.
I don't think so.
We're gonna go to 2. The only place we can go. That's nice.
Interesting they went vandal resistant in a department store.
Yeah.
Doesn't look bad, but unusual.
Yeah, it's probably great for a ThyssenKrupp of this era. This whole store is just well cared for. And based on what I've seen, I almost wonder if the store will rebuild at some point. Definitely a heavy renovation at some point.
I'm still leaning that way. I guess we'll see who's right.
I gotta look at the outside. Oh, that's it.